Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how our system will work. Now, I'm already in the self-help niche and I've already clicked the stress management. So you can see there are different products available on the ClickBank marketplace regarding stress management. The first product is Panic Away that gives you initial dollar per sale of $25.90. The average dollars per sale is $37.88 and the gravity is 14.02. The results are currently being sorted by popularity. So if I click here and click on the gravity, now the results are being sorted by gravity. So now you can see that Panic Away and anxiety and panic attacks, well-being and self-help. This is a product which is on the top if I sort the result by gravity. That means that there are more affiliates who are promoting this product in this particular niche. And the product is also very popular in the market and people are buying it. So the system which I'm going to teach you in this particular course is a 4-step system. But before I tell you what the system is and how the system works, I want to show you something on YouTube. So let me jump onto the YouTube right now. I've already put how to manage stress in the tab and I have searched the results on the YouTube. You can write any keyword related to stress management like panic away, anxiety relief, which you have already seen when I was on the ClickBank marketplace. Now you can see there are almost 3.5 million results according to the keyword which you have put in the search tab. Now as I said to you that I want to show you something on the YouTube before I tell you how our system works. So in most of the results you will find something in the description. So in most of the results you will find something in the description of a particular video. It could either be a website link, it could either be a link to another YouTube video, it could either be a link to the blog or a vlog, and also in some videos you will not find any link. Now in this particular course our attention will be on those videos where there is a website link in the description. The first video basically belongs to BBC, which is a brand, so we can't do anything with that. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to open few videos here to see what I can find in the description section. So I'm going to open this one right now. I will pause the video. I will scroll further down. I'll click show more. So you can see it's TED, which is a brand. They have got huge subscriber list, 9.7 millions on YouTube. They've also put their website in the description and also other social media channels. So this was an example just to show you what you can expect in the description section. I'm going to close this link now and I'm going to jump on to any other video. So I'm going to scroll further down and I'm going to find some other videos. I'm going to open them and I'll see what I can see in the description section. So this video, 6 effective tips on how to overcome stress and depression. Let me open that and let me see what I can see in the description section. So the video is currently being opened. I'm going to pause the video. I'll scroll down and I'm gonna see what's there in the description section. So the channel have got 12,000 subscribers. In the description section you can see a link of the YouTube video. If you scroll down, so far there's no website link. So obviously she's not putting any website link here. But as I said earlier, you can expect website, blog, or link to other videos as well. Now I'm going to close this video again. So far you have seen 2 examples. In one example, the description showed a website link which took us on a particular website. In the second example, you have seen a link to other YouTube videos. Now the strategy will be in 4 steps. In the first step, we will find a product on ClickBank to promote. The second step is to find a related YouTube video. The third step is to find out the expired link in the description. And the fourth step is to direct that link to our affiliate offer. Now you might be thinking how difficult that could be because you can see there are 3.5 million results. But let me assure you, you can do it with a click of a button. I'm going to introduce you with a free Chrome extension which you can install free of cost. Once you install the Chrome extension, with a click of a button, it will find out all the expired links on this particular search result. The traffic is already there. And if you can grab some of the links in the description for a dirt cheap, and if you direct those links to your affiliate offers, think what you can do. People will click on those links, they will be directed to your affiliate offers. If they agree to purchase the product, you make a commission. So now you have learned how our strategy will work on this particular course. I'm going to dive deeply into the strategies that I've just briefly described to you. So please stay tuned. I hope you like this lecture and I'll see you in the next one.